Rockcastle County.
Crews are on the scene of a train derailment and chemical spill in the area of Mullen Station and Livingston. Now, we do have team members out there gathering details as we speak. Authorities say at least 15 cars are involved, including 2 that spilled sulfur. Leaders with Kentucky Emergency Management say one crew member was treated for minor injuries at the scene. Thankfully, no one was hospitalized. Governor Andy Beshear shared a message on social media asking people to stay away from the area. We actually just got off the phone with Rockcastle Emergency Dispatch. They say the entire town of Livingston, about 200 people, are being evacuated as we speak. This is a developing story, of course, and we will continue to follow this story.